What's up, y'all? Welcome and thank you for joining me. So today it's about 50 degrees. Probably for the same for you on the whole East Coast. It's like thawing out a whole lot. So today's a good day to at least try to get a little bit of color onto the E46. And what we're going to try to do today is we have a lot of prep work that we need to take care of. Also going to replace the lights. So I'm going to do that in just a sec. We've already done some primer and all the body work necessary. If you want to go back, I'm going to link that video in the end of this video, and you can go back and watch that. Just the process of putting primer on this car, doing, yeah, I think I have another video doing the body work, etc. So yeah, I'm real excited to get this car painted. It's literally been sitting in the garage all winter, so, and it's an XI. It's an E46 XI, so that's just like blasphemy. Why would you? Yeah. Anyways, now it's time to clean up the garage, and I think we have a little bit more taping off to do because we are painting the door jambs and all that. I did get one coat of paint on here. This is the color we're going with. Actually sanded down. Emerald green metallic, so, and a black roof. Today we're going to be doing the black roof and the mirrors. And yeah. We got most of the exterior all taped off, so we're just gonna go ahead and bust out the rest of the work and go ahead and get all the paint stuff situated because, yeah, things have been a mess and this window won't close, so yeah, what can you do? Here's a closer look at that 1999 125. Not even sure if the camera's really doing it justice, but this thing is clean. Got this bike for 900 bucks. 125 two-stroke. I did grab it to brand new. This was all cracked. I did grab this to ride, but honestly probably gonna flip it because I was able to get this retrofitted front fender. Not retrofitted, I guess this is a new restyled. Yeah, restyled is the word. New front fender and front plate on there, and that's looking awesome so far. And I might even keep that little brake guard, whatever that is. So yeah, it's looking awesome so far, but we aren't working on this today, so let's not getting distracted. It's important to get your brakes in here and there so you don't get burnt out. This buffalo chicken wrap, smack. So about 4 hours later of prep work, literally probably like the third time I prepped this car, prepped the garage to paint. I hate winter. I wish it was just like hot all year round here, but it's not. So got everything situated, all bagged off, literally bagged off my tools. Got our workplace set up, got some plastic down, just about to mix up some paint. I'm mixing tiny mixing cup. I gotta go to Walmart, get a bigger one. It's like a pint. Hardener, we got our enamel reducer. We got some acetone, just the basics. Got our gun, blow gun. Compressor's all full. So we are basically ready to start spraying. I'm just gonna get to the roof and the mirror. Lack of a mirror here. Took this one off and then just didn't want to take the other one off. So mirror, roof. Probably means I don't really have to mix up too much paint, which is nice. Don't have to spray too much either. Take a quick break. It is a little bit cold out, so that is also a main reason why I'm only doing the black tonight, because the weather did drop when the sun went down. It's probably like 40 degrees right now. If it is 50 and it's holding off to 50 for a while tonight, there is a good chance that I might even stay up and paint the rest of the car tonight. Who knows? But this car is getting painted in this video, so yeah, stay tuned. So we have another beautiful day out here. My weird ass neighbor just like looking at a stream in front of my house. I don't know what he was doing, but yeah, we're back at it today. If I can find a light in here, Jesus. Last night we were out here until like 1 a.m. almost, getting this mirror and the roof painted. It's looking pretty good so far. But today we have this metallic green to spray on the entire body, and we have about I'd say 4 hours or so to do it. So I think we can get it done. Hope we can get it done. and we're just gonna go ahead and get to work. Man, it's crazy. Even when you think you got all your prep work done, it's still like an hour of prep work that you just like is going to be there. I still had to bag off this mirror. I had to bag off the roof, which didn't even take too long. Which took the most time was just like cleaning everything down. So just spare some time in your day to do it. And it looks like I'm honestly running behind, so I'm just gonna hit this with a quick air and air down, just try to get all the dust particles. And then we're gonna start spraying. I think first, just for the easiness or process wise, I guess, I'm just gonna do the door jambs and the trunk first. And once we get that done, we're gonna go and spray the whole body. And I got this big like doofus sized paint. It's a 2 1/4 quart. So I don't even think this is like a quart or something. So I gotta use this thing to mix up this, because I was using like a little tiny paint mixer, which I wonder where that is. Right here. So that's the one I was using last night. This is the smallest one I could find at Walmart, so just gotta work with what I got. So this color is emerald green metallic, and it looks super like shimmery, nice lime type of emerald verde. I don't know, it's a nice green. Yeah, so that with the black roof, I think is gonna look pretty nice. And this paint's super cheap. It's like, I think $50, no, like 70 bucks a gallon. So definitely cheap, and you get amazing color with it. So just gonna mix the rest of this up, and I'm gonna go ahead and start spraying. So far we're doing so good, and we were able to get a decent base coat on most of the car. Unfortunately though, when I was starting out, I was having the same issues, basically not as bad as the last gun, but same issues as the last gun. It was spitting out droplets. Not like it's weird, because I looked up for solutions for this problem, and here's for people that are having this problem too. I think it's too much paint going in, and the reducer most likely, which is my issue, because as you can see here, we got most of the emerald green metallic on here. It looks okay on camera, especially like up here, but as you go back, you can see a high amount. I mean, it's still settling, but there's a high amount of orange peel and drips, like right here. It dripped like crazy. So we're gonna have to go back and sand this whole section of the car. And the reason that all this was happening was, I found out very quickly, the reducer. I don't know why, because I literally bought the paint and reducer from the same company, but we had this acrylic enamel reducer. This is a medium reducer. And this is by Starfire, paintforcars.com. Not sponsored at all. I kind of wish I was, but because they have cool colors. I actually got this emerald green metallic for like, I think it was $60 for the whole gallon. And it is good quality paint. You just have to mix it right and spray it right. But anyways, we haven't even gotten this. I think we should probably use this next pass. It's a hardener. So we're using this reducer. And as soon as we stopped using that and we mixed up a little bit with this, which I know people are gonna be like, that shit's trash too, but Duplicolor specialty reducer, this like allowed me to put on actual, this isn't as good. This is also like, you know, there's little fish eyes and stuff. I'm learning right now also, but it allowed me to put more runs. But allowed me to put, for the most part, a good first coat down. And yeah, we're gonna be using that reducer from now on. Like as you can see, I actually laid it down quite nicely. Damn bug. Laid it down quite nicely. Good for the first pass. Here's the rear quarter. Yes, I know painters, there's orange peel, there's all that stuff, but yeah, we're doing the best that we can. And it's crazy the amount of bugs that like flocked paint. I think it's like a sweet smell or something, but man, look at the like shimmer in the light. So it's gonna be a nice like candy apple green type of color. And we're gonna have to do a lot of work just to get this nice and clear, nice and smooth. And I'm okay with that, because just a minute ago I was about to just quit and do the black and for the whole car. And I'm super happy that I'm going with this metallic, so this green metallic. So for now, I'm just gonna go and get a quick bite to eat inside. I hate smelling this stuff, and smelling chemicals while on an empty stomach, it definitely makes you feel not all there. So I'm gonna go get a bite to eat, and we're gonna mix up. We were using this like little mixer because this thing was all caked up. But we're actually gonna end up using this, filling about halfway-ish according to the ratio, and should be good to go. Yeah, I literally like taste the smell of the chemicals I've been using. Kind of gross, but yeah. We've got basically the whole car green. Pretty much the whole car green. This is an awesome color. I'm so glad I stuck with this. So yeah, we got the whole car green right now. That was basically the first coat, first major coat at least. There's a lot of trash, a lot of errors, a lot of stuff that I need to fix. So there's gonna be some sanding done, but you can't really sand when it's this like mushy and wet. So yeah, not gonna do that for probably another day. Unfortunately, as you see, I've been pouring this a lot and I'm almost out of that emerald green metallic. So I'm thinking I'm going to just go ahead and order another gallon or half gallon, whatever they offer. I mean, the gallon's not too expensive, so probably a gallon. And I'm going to probably do like probably 2 or 3 coats total, so 1 or 2 more coats. And I plan on getting some 2K clear, and I'm going to be adding some probably silver pearl to that 2K clear to give it just a super popping sparkle. So that's just going to be it for now. I'm so glad we're getting this car painted. I'm so glad the seasons are changing. I'm sure everyone's in the same mood about the seasons. that was a rough winter. It was literally snowing like crazy up here. So we are 250, or I almost said 250, our 125 all covered up, and hopefully we'll be ripping that soon or selling it soon, who knows. But for now, thank you for watching, and peace.
Going crazy.